In order to install software, it's really quite simple. If you just scroll through your iPad, you'll see a section here called Self Service. And if you open that up, it shows you all the applications that are available for you to install. So you don't need to worry if you accidentally delete an application. They're always going to be there. So I need to use Adobe Draw in this case. So I'm going to tap on it here, and I'm just going to install that app, and it goes off to the server, locates that software, and then downloads it. You'll notice that the status of it right now is such that it's now uploading. And once that's finished, we'll be able to use the Adobe Draw software.